Hello, Franklin Middle School teachers. My name is Justin Miller, and welcome to installment 1 of EdConnect Training 2015. What we're going to look at today is how to get those period numbers that you see on my list right now. It says period 2, instead of the section numbers, which were long and a little bit confusing if you were trying to administer an EdConnect test and figure out what class was what. So this is a really simple procedure, and it shouldn't take very long at all. So if you notice, one of the sections, instead of my period 4 class, I created Mr. Miller rules. So we're going to try to get Mr. Miller rules off and period 4, just like you're going to get your section numbers off and put your actual class periods. So if you go over to your normal EdConnect sign-in, you're going to hover over the classroom section. After you get to the classroom section, you're going to go over to the lesson planner, which coincidentally enough is going to be where you're submitting your lesson plans on. But we'll get to that in another installment. So once you're on your lesson planner, you click on that, and it will show you all of your class sections, plus there'll be an area where it says personal. You then just click on the settings tab all the way on the right. I'm going to click on it now. And you can see it says Mr. Miller rules. All you have to do is click on Verify Student Roster, and you can figure out what class it is. In this case, I already know it's period 4, so I'm going to erase Mr. Miller rules and put in period 4. And it's that simple. Now if I go over to the other tab where I have my EdConnect test, all I have to do is click the Reload button, and you can see the period appears. One special note for teachers like me that teach inclusion classes, your inclusion classes always get divided by sections in EdConnect. So I've just put them as period 6 section 1 and period 6 section 2. That way if a kid is looking over your shoulder, you're not going to be singling out who the special ed kids are. So I think that's just a best practice. One other thing I want to just go over real quick on this original tab where I changed it. You go over to that classroom tab, lesson planner, I'll go back there. Under no circumstances when you get in settings are you going to want to remove the section. You need to keep the sections of your classes. So please don't remove your sections, just change them and then click off and it will be changed. All right, thank you.